Okay, guys, this is the deal. This is the deal. This is the deal. We're at Amber's house, and she owns a farm, and she has ugly animals on it like this thing. Oh, it's gonna attack me.
Yo, I'm afraid he's gonna like.
And it has this thing. What is this called again? A llama?
No, a goat.
A goat. What is this
me?
thing called? Oh my god, it's giving me the eyes. What is this thing called? This is my pussy that likes me a lot. Meow. Come over here. He can't get in because you zapped the fence, Christopher. Turn it off.
He's gonna like kill himself hitting that fence.
And then here is the horse. Oh, don't look at me. Here's the other horse. What is this thing called?
That's a horse.
This.
That's a goat.
But they don't look the same.
Yeah, because they're different breeds.
This one has like a big butt, kind of like a Long Island hottie. Like they're all skinny, and it's like bam, the butt. See it?
Look how happy. Look at him. Look at him. He's so happy. Look at him.
Ew. Ew. I'm gonna like just kick it. Ugh.
Don't kick him.
Is this gonna like affect your horses?
No. Like attack me.
Are they gonna get like cancer?
Okay.
No.
They're gonna get cancer.
Can I have a drag? Chris,
Okay, I get it.
give
Relax.
me.
Kids didn't smoke.
Okay, I get it. You like me.
I don't want my
Come
own
now.
cigarette. I'm
Help
too
me.
lazy
Is
to
that
smoke a
on?
whole one.
Is that on?
No, forget it.
I'm done.
No. Okay, I'm
Are you
getting
sure?
out. I'm getting out.
You stop it.
Everybody
No,
come
you
away
film
from
it.
me.
You film it. I don't want it.
I'm getting out.
Oh, I'm gonna turn you on now.
No, don't you, Chris.
Christopher. That's not nice.
My aunt paid me $1 to
Can I
touch
see
it.
if the horse will smoke the cigarette?
No. She's our, do you see how sick she is?
Hi, Chris.
Maybe he will.
Hate pictures.
Don't
No.
attack
It's not a picture,
Chris.
it's a video.
Ready? We're gonna experiment. Hold on.
No, do this one. He's more likely to smoke.
Here, baby. Come here. Oh God, don't look at me. Get him to smoke. You smoke this blunt, honey. How high is he? Give me back my. Ah! Don't spit at me! Don't llama spit at you or something?
No, it's a
Not a
fucking
llama.
goat.
Whatever. Give it back. Ah, get away! Give me my cigarette. All in all.
I would win a fucking award.
All in all,
for this.
and that over there is a fox.
That's Bridget.
It's a dog.
Oh, well, it looks like a fox, okay? I would be surprised if I saw a fucking unicorn on this place.
All in all, come on, finish your little.
Maybe they'll chase me. Come on, chase me! Chase me! Chase
Come on, let's go chase him.
Stop! Stop it right now! Get away! Oh my god!
So,
Oh, go
I don't know what that
away!
means until Marina just said it.
Oh my god. Oh, go! If you look at me again, girl, I'll punch you.
What's flamboyant mean?
It's like super gay.
Because Marina said that word and I never knew what it meant.
Did it get? Oh, go away! What the hell? Why do you like